Thanks for checking out another clip of the Cashflow Contractor. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. Click subscribe wherever you get your podcast.
So we talk about pricing all the time. And in fact, we talk about there's 5 things you have to do as a contractor. Like you have to do them. And it's close deals, which you were doing, albeit at the wrong price. But then after you're closing deals, once you have proof of concept and you know you can do it, all this kind of stuff, you have to hit your numbers. And that's where the pricing is, right?
Yep.
After that, you have to execute your jobs, which is how you got into the spray paint because, or the paint spraying.
Yeah.
Because you have to be able to execute the jobs properly and efficiently and all that kind of stuff. And so interesting that you go through that. Okay. So pricing, you figured it out. Where are you at today with pricing? Would you say you're the most expensive in the market? What's your direction with pricing?
Yeah, it's a good question. I would say that we're in the middle. I don't think we're the highest. I know we're not the lowest because we don't get all of our jobs.
That's another good point. You shouldn't be getting, if you're winning every single job, something's wrong. You should be getting no's.
That's right. And that was actually when I was getting a lot of jobs early on. A friend of mine in business said to me, "You're priced too low. You should not be getting all of those jobs." So that was a little cue to me back then. And also, I think encouraging for people who are frustrated that they're not getting jobs, you shouldn't be. If you're priced right, you know, I don't know what I heard recently industry standard for construction is a design build or just a construction company would be like 30%, 30 to 40% of the jobs that you bid, you get. Maybe you would know better than I do with that. But yeah. So we kind of waffle back and forth in that middle area, middle percentage.
Right. Okay, good deal. Well, you're growing your cabinet painting. Another thing is that you specialize, it sounds like, into just the cabinets. Is that right? We
ended up stopping with the wall painting. Yep.
And why did you switch to that? And what did you notice once you switched?
We switched because, truthfully, my team didn't want to get up on really high ladders anymore.
Okay.
It was just hard. I mean, these were moms, and we have houses that are 2 stories high that were way up high, painting, and it just was hauling huge ladders around, all of that. And I think it was just kind of honoring my team and sensing the frustration and saying, let's just really niche here. We know what we're doing with cabinet painting. Let's niche and dive into that. So, and we thrived in that space.
So good. I'm going to go back to it, but we say 5 things. I didn't give all 5. I gave 3: close deals, hit numbers, execute jobs. The next one's lead your team. And after that, serve clients. So we'll talk about that more probably throughout this, but you were leading your team by saying, hey, this isn't a good fit for our team. But also by niching down, you're able to specialize. You're able to do, better work on just the cabinets than anybody else does because you're only doing cabinets. You're able to communicate that effectively to customers. You're able to know the details, right? All that kind of stuff. So very, very cool.
Thanks for checking out a clip from the Cashflow Contractor. We have full episodes where we go deep on topics that help you grow a construction business that runs without you so you can have less stress, more time, more money. Now, we've got other videos, other clips, but if you want to check out the full episode for this clip, you can click wherever our editor put it. It might be here, it might be there. Might be over my face, I don't know. But thank you for checking us out. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. So subscribe or check out a full episode wherever you get podcasts.